In continuation of previous video based on coordinate geometry, today we'll solve one of the important question. Please turn page 65 in your textbook, page 65, exercise 3.3, question number 1. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the point -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Before we solve this question, first let us see. This is the two perpendicular line intersecting at a point 0. As you have learned, these two perpendicular lines divide the Cartesian plane into four quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant you have positive value of x and y. In the second quadrant we have negative x, positive y. In the third quadrant you have negative x and negative y, and in the fourth quadrant you have positive x and negative y. Here, according to your question, we are asked to identify the quadrants in which the following given points located. And now let's see. The first one is -2, 4. -2, 4. Here x -2 is the coordinate of x and 4 is the coordinate of y. So -2 and 4 lie in the second quadrant. So you will write the point -2, 4 lie in the second quadrant because its x coordinate is negative. That means x coordinate -2 is negative and 4 y coordinate is positive. Second point, 3 -1. The point 3 -1 lie in the fourth quadrant because its x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. This x is negative, positive and y is negative. So according to this, well, x positive and y negative will be in the fourth quadrant. And third point, -1, 0. The point -1, 0 lie on x-axis because x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is 0. Here x negative, y 0. Since the value of y or ordinate is 0, the point will lie on the x coordinate. So that is minus y minus x, and y0 will be on the x-axis. Fourth point, we have the point 1, 2 lies in the first quadrant because its x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Positive, both are positive, so it will lie in the first quadrant. Positive, x positive and y positive will be in this first quadrant. And lastly, we have the point -3, -5 lie in the third quadrant because both coordinates are negative. Here x negative, y also positive and negative, then it will lie in the third quadrant. According to question, we have to verify by locating on the Cartesian plane. So let's see. We'll verify. My first point, -2, 4. -2 is the perpendicular distance from y-axis, that is minus 2 is the coordinate of x, so we'll count the value toward the left of the origin, that is 1 2 minus 2, and 4 is the ordinate or coordinate of y, and we'll count upward from the origin since y is positive. 1 2 3 4. You draw a dot line perpendicular to this y-axis and another dot line perpendicular to x-axis, and the 2 points intersect at this point, and this is the required point which lie in the second quadrant, as we have mentioned. Second quadrant. Second point, the point 3 minus 1 lie in the fourth quadrant. Here this lie in the fourth quadrant, positive x and negative y, it lie in the fourth quadrant. Third point 1 0 lie on the x-axis. That means the value of x is minus 1 and y is 0, so the point lie here on x-axis, that is minus 1 0. Fourth point, the point 1 2 lie in the first quadrant, it lie in the first quadrant 1, and value coordinate of x is 1, coordinate of y is 1 2 2, the two dot line intersect at this point 1 2. And last point we have minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 means coordinate of x. Since the value of x is minus, we start counting from origin toward the left. 1 2 3 minus 3, and coordinate of y is minus 5, so we count downward from the origin. 1 2 3 4 5. You draw two dot line, and two dot line will intersect at this point, and minus 3 5, minus 3 minus 5 is the required points. Hence we verify the quadrants by drawing the diagram on the Cartesian plane. In this way you can verify the location of the point. When you draw this point, you can write a scale as 1 unit. Here 1 unit you can write 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. We are taking the distance between these 2 points as 1 unit and is equal to 1 centimeter. Thanks for watching.